everybody! 3 more days until our annual Christmas open house opens here at Heritage Animal Hospital. Now, every day until then, I'm going to talk about something else that we're going to have at that event. Today, we're talking about silent auctions and raffle baskets. Silent auctions are super easy if you've never done one before. All you got to do is write your name and write the numerical amount that you want to bid on that thing, whatever you're bidding for. It's super easy. Raffle baskets, same thing. Just buy a ticket. It's $1 a ticket. If you buy 5 of them, you get 1 free. Rip it up, put it in the basket, and then boom, bada bing, you have a chance to win it. Now, there's all kinds of prizes, more than just what's featured here, so please give a gander. Come on December 7th. All the proceeds are going to our families. We've adopted 4 of them and 12 children, so help us make a Merry Christmas for them. I'll see you there, December 7th. Starts at 2.